Let me guess, you're struggling with potty training, right? Maybe your pup keeps having accidents in the house, or no matter what you try, they just don't seem to get it? Sound familiar? Well, here's the thing, you're not alone. Potty training can be tricky, and sometimes even one small mistake can set you back weeks or even months. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we're breaking down the 10 biggest potty training mistakes that almost every dog owner makes. More importantly, we'll show you exactly how to fix them so your pup can finally become a potty pro. Stick around, because mistake number 1 is something nearly every dog parent has done at least once. Welcome back to Doggy Pedia, your go-to place for everything dog-related. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more helpful dog training tips. Now let's jump right in. 1. Punishing your dog for accidents. We've all been there. You walk into the room, see a puddle on the floor, and before you even think, you yell, "Bad dog." Maybe out of frustration, you even rub their nose in it, hoping they'll learn their lesson. But here's the truth, punishment doesn't work. Dogs don't connect past actions with punishment the way we do. If we scold them after an accident, they don't think, "Oh no, I shouldn't have peed inside." Instead, they just think, "Why is my human mad at me?" And here's what happens next. They start hiding accidents behind furniture because they're afraid of getting into trouble. They become scared of us instead of learning what to do. They might even get confused about where they're supposed to go. So what's the right way to handle accidents? Stay calm. It happens. Instead of scolding, focus on cleaning up properly so they don't smell their pee and go there again. Use an enzymatic cleaner to remove all odors. If we catch them mid-accident, calmly interrupt them, maybe with a gentle "hey," and immediately take them outside. And when they finish their business outside, celebrate. Give them lots of praise, treats, and love so they associate going outside with positive rewards. Dogs learn 10 times faster when we reinforce good behavior instead of punishing mistakes. 2. Expecting your dog to tell you when they need to go. Are you waiting for your dog to whine, bark, or scratch the door before taking them outside? Big mistake. That's like expecting a toddler to suddenly say, "Mom, I need the potty." It's just not realistic unless we teach them how to communicate. Some dogs will never give clear signals. Others might, but their cues can be so subtle, like pacing, sniffing around, or walking toward the door, that we might miss them if we're not paying attention. So instead of waiting for a signal, we should be proactive and stick to a scheduled potty routine. Puppies need to go out every 1 to 2 hours, while adult dogs should be taken out every 4 to 6 hours. If we take them out before they get desperate, accidents are far less likely to happen. Want an easy trick? Bell training. Hang a small bell by the door and ring it every time we take them outside. Over time, they'll learn to nudge the bell when they need to go. It's a total game changer. 3. Thinking potty training will be done in a week. Raise your hand if you've ever thought, "Why isn't this working yet?" after just a few days. Here's the reality. Potty training takes time. Some dogs pick it up quickly, while others need weeks or even months to fully master it. There are a lot of factors that affect potty training speed. Young puppies have tiny bladders and short attention spans. Small breeds like Chihuahuas have even tinier bladders, so they need more frequent potty breaks. Rescue dogs may have had 0 prior training, making it a longer process. So what's the fix? Patience. Celebrate small wins. If our pup goes 1 full day accident-free, that's progress. A good rule of thumb, a 3-month-old puppy might take 3 to 4 months to be fully trained. If we rush the process or get frustrated, it only makes things harder for both us and our pup. 4. Expecting them to hold it too long. "But I just took them out an hour ago." Sound familiar? Here's the thing, puppies can't hold it for long. General rule is 1 hour per month of age, up to 8 hours max for adults. So if we expect a 2-month-old puppy to hold it for 5+ hours, we're setting them up for failure. It's not their fault, they physically can't wait that long. The fix? More potty breaks. Take them out frequently, especially after meals, naps, and playtime. And if we work long hours, we might need to hire a dog walker or set up a puppy-safe potty area indoors. It's all about setting them up for success. 5. Being inconsistent with the schedule. Imagine waking up every morning not knowing when breakfast is coming. Some days it's at 7 a.m., other days it's 10 a.m. Confusing, right? Dogs feel the same way about potty breaks. If we take them out at different times every day, they won't know when or where they're supposed to go. That's why routine is everything. Puppies thrive on predictability. The more consistent we are, the faster they learn. So, what's the best schedule? First thing in the morning, right after meals, after naps or playtime, right before bedtime. And if we tend to forget, set phone reminders. Consistency speeds up the potty training process and reduces accidents. 6. Giving too much freedom too soon. We get it. Bringing home a new puppy is exciting and you want them to explore. But if they have access to the entire house right away, they won't know where the bathroom is supposed to be. Think of it this way. Would you let a toddler wander a shopping mall alone and hope they find the bathroom? Probably not. Puppies get overwhelmed. And instead of waiting for the right spot, they just go wherever. The fix? Limit their space. Start with one room or a gated area. Once they've gone 2 weeks accident-free, gradually give them more freedom. They should earn more space as they prove they can hold it. Watch for signs. Sniffing, pacing, looking unsettled, that's your cue. Pick them up and take them outside before they go in the wrong place. 7. Not watching your dog closely enough. Ever walked into a room and found a puddle on the floor thinking, wait, when did that happen? Here's the truth. Your dog did give you signs. You just didn't notice them. Dogs almost always signal before they go, sniffing, circling, or stopping play. But if we're distracted, on our phones or doing chores, we might completely miss it. And then, boom, another accident. The fix? Supervision. If your pup is loose, keep an eye on them. Can't watch 100% of the time? Use a crate, playpen, or baby gates to limit their space. One of the best tricks? Tether training. Attach their leash to your belt while at home. This way, you'll catch those little signals before they sneak off to potty inside. The more accidents we prevent, the faster they learn. Outside is the only place to go. 8. Using the wrong potty spot. This one surprises a lot of people. You might think as long as they go outside, it doesn't matter where, right? But actually it does. Dogs rely on scent and habit to know where to go. If their potty spot keeps changing, backyard one day, front yard the next, or a random patch of grass on a walk, it confuses them. That's why consistency is key. Pick one potty area and stick to it. If you take them out on a leash, always bring them to the same spot. This builds a strong habit and speeds up training. And here's a simple trick. Use a potty command like "go potty" or "do your business." Say it every time they go, and soon they'll associate the phrase with bathroom time. This makes training even faster and easier. 9. Overusing potty pads. Now, pee pads can be useful, especially for tiny breeds or people who live in high-rise apartments. But if we overuse them, they can actually make potty training way harder. Here's why. If a dog learns that it's okay to pee inside, they might think anywhere inside is fair game. The rug? That's soft like a pee pad. The couch? Well, that's indoors too. See the problem? So if you do use potty pads, the key is gradual transition. Start by placing them near the door, so your pet gets used to going in that area. Then move them outside. The goal is to phase them out so your dog understands that outside is the real bathroom. And if you're in an apartment where potty pads are a long-term necessity, that's totally fine. Just make sure they have one specific spot, not all over the house, so they don't think anywhere is fair game. 10. Not cleaning accidents properly. This one is huge. If your dog keeps peeing in the same wrong spot, it's not because they're being stubborn, it's because they can still smell it. Dogs have crazy strong noses, way better than ours. Even if we think we cleaned it up, if there's even a trace of pee left behind, they'll sniff it out and think, oh, this is my bathroom. That's why regular household cleaners won't cut it. We need an enzymatic cleaner, something that breaks down the urine molecules completely so they can't smell it at all. And if you're dealing with mystery accidents, try using a blacklight flashlight at night. It'll show hidden spots where your pup has gone before. It sounds weird, but it works. The The cleaner we make the wrong spots, the less likely they are to go there again. And there you have it, the 10 biggest potty training mistakes, and more importantly, how to fix them. So which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps support the channel. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our best dog training tips. Got a potty training win? Share it in the comments. We'd love to celebrate your pup's progress with you. Until next time, remember, patience, consistency, and positivity are your secret weapons. Happy training!